Kind of confused with the thunder and lightning. We hadn't had that in such a long time. May have scared a lot of dogs.
That's right. They've behaved so well for so long, we forgot how nervous they get when that happens, right? That was my experience this morning anyway. Not everyone had the rain today, though. Most of our area did, but I want you to look at our rainfall totals map here and look at the big 3 zeros up there on the top left-hand portion of your screen. That's right. You folks up in the San Saba area over toward Lampasas were left completely out. Most of southern Lampasas County, not very much. We're going to run through these totals. I know this is a real busy map here, but we're trying to give you a whole lot of information from wherever you happen to live. Llano, 1/1800ths of an inch. Southern Llano County, real rural area there with 1.3 inches. Only about 1/4 of an inch in Kingsland, about 1/3 of an inch in the Marble Falls area. Fredericksburg, about 1/2 inch. About 4/10ths of an inch in Johnson City. About 1/4 of an inch to 1/3 of an inch there in the Round Mountain area. Go to the metro. The highest total was down around Driftwood at 1.5 inches. Manchac, 1.04. Not too far from Camp Mabry, Lake Austin area around the LCRA headquarters with 9/100ths of an inch. That was the most in Travis County. About 3/4 of an inch in downtown Austin, but only 1/4 of an inch once we got north to Pflugerville and Leander and Cedar Park and Round Rock. About 4/10ths of an inch over in Taylor, a little more in the Elgin area. Heaviest rainfall was in Milam County down into Lee County with 1.25 inches. Over in Caldwell area, that's out of our viewing area, but that was the most by far at 2.35 inches. And then down in Bastrop County, Smithfield, you did great at 1.4, had 1.6 in the LaGrange area. Tonight, that is all gone. The sun is out. Skies are clearing from west to east across our central Texas area. Temperature right now at 71. At 8 o'clock tonight, we continue to see the clouds thin, 68. And at 10 o'clock tonight, looking at about 63 degrees. Well, there goes the storm. We started tracking it last week. We were so excited about it because it was taking a southern route. When that happens, we can see exactly what happened today happened in central Texas, and that is the moisture combines with this low-pressure area moving across and generates widespread rain. But again tonight, that is all gone to East Texas and over into Louisiana. Tomorrow we'll have a front come in, northerly winds. We'll see some cooler weather in here by Thursday morning and through the day on Thursday. Then a quick turnaround to warm, humid weather again by the weekend. Temperatures right now in the 70s behind this little system today. It's a Pacific system, so it doesn't bring much cool air. 71 in the city, 72 at the airport with very little wind out there. Sunsets at 5:34 tonight. Mole count was up today to 2,000. That's back into that high category. Around the state, 70s in most locations. Our lows tonight will only fall back into the 50s. The highs tomorrow, we may get to 80 degrees in many locations before that front moves through tomorrow evening. In Austin in the morning, about 58. We may see some low clouds, some patchy light fog try to form just because of the moisture down at ground level because of the rain. Tomorrow, 80 degrees, wind shift north behind that front. And then on Thursday, our high only 66. And a couple of chilly mornings Thursday and Friday. And then we warm up again for the weekend. But look at there, we got another chance of rain. Kind of an unsettled weather pattern beginning this weekend, early next week. Not a guarantee that we'll get rain like we saw today, but we'll take anything we can get at this point.